Today, modern physics is telling you everything that you see, the way you see it, is not the way it is. So in yoga, we call this Maya. Well, the fact of the matter is that everything that we know only in relative terms. In reality, whatever conclusions we make about the world, about the people, about ourselves, are all bound to be wrong as time rolls on. Life is a dream, but the dream is true. As we know the world today, as you know the world through your sense perceptions, it is a dream. Well, this is not some fancy philosophy. Today, modern physics is telling you everything that you see, the way you see it, is not the way it is. So in yoga, we call this Maya. Maya does not mean it does not exist. It means it's not the way you think it is. It's not the way you see it is. To be able to perceive the very nature of life, the way it is yoga.
A modern theory suggests that the universe is an illusion, just like a mirage in a desert. Just like the movie makers takes us to a 3D world using a 2D screen. The only difference is we have an illusion of touching the objects in our world. The Hindu scriptures and spirituality already told us that the world is a Maya or illusion. But the irony is, now even physics is telling us the same. An ongoing experiment, called the Holometer Project, revealed that our full and fleshed out 3D universe is just an illusion. Or a 2D projection onto a cosmic screen, beyond our perceptions and understanding, just like a 3D movie screen. They believe that the universe is a 2D hologram that is painted on some kind of cosmological horizon that pops into 3D whenever we observe it. Let us understand with a very simple example. Whenever we see a colored object, suppose let us take a red cloth, then it is everything except red. How is it so? As we see it is red, only because it absorbs all the colors and reflects back red, for our eyes to perceive it is color red. So our brain just creates an illusion of seeing a red cloth, which is in fact all the colors except red. So, color is the brain's reaction to a certain wavelength of the electromagnetic wave. The color is not really out there, it is just painted by our brain. Similar explanations can be given for sound as well. Sound is just the brain's reaction to vibrations in the air. In real, there is no sound out there. This is what Sadhguru, or the yogic science, tried to explain to us. We can never know an object out there as a reality on its own. All we know is the perception of it. And the perception, as we have seen, is filtered by body's mechanism.
"99% of your life is just thought and emotion. Thought and emotion is just a projection of life, not life, isn't it? So your whole life is just thought and emotion.
So it is very much like a dream. It is. Because people are reading sutras and this and that, they think what they read and what they think is spirituality. So he's trying to knock their psychological structure out so that they become existential. If you're experiencing life, not thought, not emotion, life, if you're experiencing life as such a question will not come. But when most of your life is just thought and emotion, it is very true, it is very much a dream, it's just another projection.
Please subscribe the channel if you liked the video and support us in making further videos like this.